Hi, I'm Eli. Join me on my weekend motorcycle adventure to the Okanagans at Summerland, British Columbia, Canada. Along the way, I'll be searching for the most fun and scenic roads and as much dirt roads that I can find and ride through on my motorcycle. So sit tight and just enjoy the ride.
This is the Princeton to Summerland road. It's quite gorgeous here. This road starts off just like this, narrow and twisty. It's a great motorcycle road. The latter half of this road here will actually turn into dirt. So Princeton to Summerland Road has now turned into gravel, and it's wonderful. They've actually just watered it to reduce the dust, but it does feel a little slick. It's actually quite nice. I could go to the right, which I know, I've been through this, not on the bike. That's the safe bet. Or I could go that way. Never been. I actually really don't know what I'm getting into. And I'm by myself. There's absolutely no cell service around here. I made the intention of going that way, so there's really no backing out now. Alright, let's just see how this is. Oh, it's definitely much rougher here already. So I expect to be here for about 40 to 50 kilometers. And oh my goodness. Absolutely cannot see the potholes. Oh. I think I should turn off my ABS. I really do. Oh, maybe not. Think ABS would help? There's a knee-jerk type reaction on the brakes. I wonder. They are quite intrusive. We got quads out here. Probably gonna blow out my seals, aren't I? These forks are not made for this stuff. Gosh. Problem with the sun being right above me is that I cannot see potholes. They're just not generating any shadows. So if I hit something big, I'm gonna feel it. I'm gonna break something. I'm gonna go down. What are you doing, Eli? Oh my goodness, that was a huge one. Washboards are killer. Wishing had more suspension travel and bigger wheels, at least bigger front. Constantly wondering what's rattled off the bike now. Anything broken. Every once in a while I get the glimpse of the view, just like that one over there. And it makes me think, oh, this is all worth it. What's a little bit of punishment when you're still having fun? I'm out here again on another motorcycle adventure. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Middle of nowhere, BC. Behind me there is a big cliff. And there's a river at the bottom. I'm by myself. So there's my bike. So if I get hurt out here, nobody's gonna save me. Don't get worried. And there's no cell signal. But anyways, this is enjoyable to me. ABS now off. Okay, let's continue on. Just my luck. I almost went down and that would have hurt, and I wasn't recording. So you get into a groove of riding dirt. I guess that applies to all new riders, new off-road riders. You get into a groove and suddenly you start feeling, hey, you can do this. It's not so bad. And you get more confident. Confidence grows as you keep riding. Oh, these are really loose rocks. Oh boy. And as I was saying, you get more and more confident. And as a result, you start going faster and faster. And that might not be a good thing. But that's exactly what happened. A little confident. This is really loose gravel. It almost feels like sand. As I was saying, I started getting confident and going faster. I was doing about 70. And all of a sudden, you just can't react to these things. Big series of potholes started popping up, and at that speed, I know some of you guys that do this all the time. That's nothing. 70 kilometers an hour on an FSR. That's not very well groomed, and massive potholes. No big deal, right? Some of you guys. But yeah, that and the fact that I tried slowing down, not be able to react to the massive holes on the ground, and of course locking up the rear brake, only because that is the normal reaction. I thought I was going down. I was sure I was going down. But through all of that, whiskey throttled a little bit, let off the brakes, whiskey throttled a little bit, and I think that saved me. That saved me from going down. So is that the trick? You're just about going going sideways and trying to figure out what to do, doing 70, going down to 60 quickly, 50. So in that situation, do you throttle out of it? I suppose. That's what I hear all the time. Look at this view, guys. I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. I haven't seen anyone else on this road in the hour or so that I've been on it. But anyways, enough of that. Gotta get going. Still have another maybe 13, 15 kilometers of dirt before I actually hit the highway onto my final destination. I just thought I'd update you guys on this nice spot I stopped at. It's really hot, but there is a breeze, as you can tell. So I still have my helmet on and my jacket on, and I'm not absolutely cooking. So that's it for now. Back on pavement. There we go. What a view. This is Peachland, folks. Peachland, British Columbia. Why do they call it Peachland? Maybe because they have peaches.
On the next episode of my Summerland adventures, I explore Naramata and Shoot Lake, got lost and found dinner, and kayaked in Okanagan Lake. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Oh, and lastly, I'd like to wish you all a happy end of 2020 and a wonderful start to 2021. Stay safe and stay healthy. See ya!